In this Business Tech Planet video, we'll show you how to find and use the keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Teams. First, we're introducing the new Business Tech Planet newsletter, where you can find the latest Microsoft news and updates. Get access to our free Microsoft Teams ebook. And always have the chance to win our monthly tech prizes. Just hit the link, and get your free copy of the Master Microsoft Teams ebook. To view keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Teams, press Ctrl and period on Windows, or Command and period on Mac. You can view some of the common shortcuts, accompanied by explanations of what the shortcuts do. But to view more, click Keyboard Shortcuts in the top left. Here you'll find a list of all the available shortcuts. For example, this shortcut allows us to quickly access the commands. Usually, you can access commands by clicking into the search bar at the top, and pressing /. But to open commands quickly, you could also press Ctrl and / on Windows, or Command and / on Mac. Now we can quickly make use of the commands, such as setting our status to away. You can also use keyboard shortcuts for text formatting. In this example, we'll highlight the text we want to format, then make it bold by pressing Ctrl and B on Windows, or Command and B on Mac. To make the text italic, press Ctrl and I on Windows, or Command and I on Mac. To add an underline, press Ctrl or Command and U. Since headers affect the whole line of text, click the line that you want to make into a header. Then press Ctrl Alt and 1 on Windows, or Command Option and 1 on Mac, which turns the line into a header 1. Ctrl, Alt and 2, or Command Option and 2, makes the line into a header 2. Ctrl Alt and 3, or Command Option and 3, makes the line into a header 3. To turn the line into a quote, press Ctrl, Alt and 4 on Windows, or Command Option and 4 on Mac. You can also add a border around selected text by pressing Ctrl Alt and 5 on Windows, or Command Option and 5 on Mac. And to add a link to selected text, press Ctrl or Command and K. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for important Microsoft news and updates, and a chance to win prizes, be sure to hit the link in the description, and join our newsletter today.